The lady at the reception was very friendly, gave us a room on the ground floor, near the parking lot. Very clean, and the team is so polite and friendly. Affordable comfort at Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes. Discover a budget-friendly accommodation option that doesn't compromise on comfort at Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes. Located in the charming village of Les Tourrettes in France, this one-star hotel offers a convenient and cozy stay for both leisure and business travelers. With a check-in time starting from 2 p.m., guests can easily settle into their rooms and begin exploring the surrounding area. The hotel's checkout time is until 12 p.m., allowing guests to enjoy a leisurely morning before departing. With a total of 70 rooms, Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes provides ample accommodation options for guests. Please note that this hotel has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay, they may be subject to additional charges. The hotel's friendly staff will be more than happy to provide further information and assist with any inquiries regarding the child policy. Unwind and enjoy at Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes' entertainment facilities. Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes offers a range of entertainment facilities to ensure a memorable stay for its guests. Nestled amidst lush greenery, the hotel boasts a beautiful garden where guests can unwind and soak in the serene surroundings. Whether you want to enjoy a leisurely stroll, read a book under the shade of a tree, or simply bask in the tranquility, the garden provides the perfect setting for relaxation. In addition to the garden, the hotel also features a refreshing outdoor swimming pool. Take a dip in the crystal-clear waters or lounge by the poolside while sipping on a refreshing drink. The pool area is equipped with comfortable sun loungers, allowing guests to soak up the sun and enjoy the warm weather. Whether you prefer to swim laps or simply cool off, the outdoor pool provides a delightful way to relax and rejuvenate. Furthermore, the hotel offers a well-equipped fitness center for guests who want to stay active during their stay. The fitness center features modern exercise equipment, including treadmills, stationary bikes, and weights, allowing guests to maintain their fitness routine even while traveling. With state-of-the-art facilities and a spacious layout, the fitness center provides a convenient and enjoyable space for guests to stay active and energized. Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes' entertainment facilities ensure that guests have plenty of options to relax, unwind, and stay active throughout their stay. Whether you prefer to enjoy the tranquility of the garden, take a refreshing dip in the outdoor pool, or stay fit in the well-equipped fitness center, the hotel has something for everyone to enjoy. Convenient facilities at Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes. Hotel Premier Classe Montelimar. Les Tourrettes offers a range of convenient facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With services like laundry service, dry cleaning, and daily housekeeping, guests can relax and enjoy their time without worrying about the mundane tasks of daily life. The hotel also provides room service, allowing guests to indulge in delicious meals in the comfort of their own rooms.